Hi guys, welcome to another ASUS Transformer Prime video. Today we are looking at an application. So it's not just an ASUS Transformer Prime video, it's a video for any Android tablet device. The application we are looking at today is called Appy Geek. It's a news aggregating application which is a variant of an application I showed you in another video called News Republic. Let's get straight to what Appy Geek can do. We load straight into the application. As we can see on this left hand side, we have all the news stories that are associated to all news, so it's displaying everything that this application is currently aggregating. On this right hand side we have different topics, so currently I'm selecting all news, but I have different topics selected here such as Android market, smartphone, tablet. So if I press on the tablet, it will then navigate itself to the tablet computer topic area. So now all the news stories on this left hand side are to do with the tablet computer area, and then a news article is displayed here on the right hand side. So as we can see that the first news story is linked here. The article itself includes a full article. You don't have to press on any links to go any further into the article. It includes all the words and a picture. You can adjust the font setting here. I've got it on the maximum font setting, so I'll just make it a little bit smaller, just to demonstrate that you can change the font size, so it's just got a little bit smaller there. And you have some sharing, reaction and save facilities there if you want to read it at a later time. So let's say that I finished reading this article and I just want to read another one. Press on this one that says iPad dominates due to Apple supply details, and again, as you can see, very snappy, instantly loads up the new article, and I can peruse my way through how the iPad is going to fail against the Transformer Prime. No, I'm actually joking here. So, that is how the application works in a simple sense. I'm sure you'll agree that it's a very good application in terms of gathering its news and producing it to the user in a very quick way. One very cool feature that I want to add is if you can see that all these words here in blue, these are all the topics. So if I pressed on a topic, it would actually then take me to that news topic. So let's just use the iPad as the topic. I'll press it there. So as you can see that the topic now has changed to iPad, so I'm getting lots of news stories about the iPad in particular. So we have another article here. Again, very snappy, very quick. And then this is a very nice visual feature. If I press on this little world button here, it goes into a kind of global world tags area. So now I can scroll around all these words, look at one that I might find interesting, for example smartphone, press on it, and again it's going to show it in the news headlines on this left hand side. And we're now looking at the Samsung Galaxy S2 ice cream sandwich, which is good because I have one of them and there's an update for it very soon. Let's just go back to the main screen then, which you use with this home button. As you can see, I have a variety of topics there, but if I wanted to add a new one, I would simply press the plus button here, and then I can choose whatever I want. So let's just type in there, and I'm going to search for, because I can't think of anything else off the top of my head, I'm going to search for iPhone. I'm sorry, but this is a bit of an Apple-centric video, even though we're looking at an Android device. So there we are, picked up the iPhone. There are 203 articles. If I press that, it's now added it as a news topic. So if I just tap off there, you will see that it is now added the iPhone section, 203 news stories. Press on there, and then we're back into reading all stories about iPhone. As you can see, this is very intuitive, very quick, very snappy, a brilliant application. As I said before, this is kind of a stripped down version of News Republic. This just includes all the technology news topics. So it's kind of like a stripped down version. So you may think, what's the point of it? I suppose it's more focused. News Republic does provide all this information as well, but News Republic also provides some extra topics here with photographs and videos. So maybe you want them in the application, maybe you don't. I, to be honest, use a News Republic one because it serves the same function, but I just wanted to show you another version of the application since I've already shown you a video on News Republic. At any time, if you are bored with a topic, you can simply remove the star to remove a topic. That will remove iPhone. So it's asking me now if I want to remove iPhone from my preferred topics. Yes, I do. So that should disappear. And then, if we just go to the home screen, We can actually add some pretty useful widgets as well if I just do a long press on here and get to the widgets. This, by the way, is Go Launcher HD, a very good application which I'm going to show you in another video. But for today, I will just quickly go into Appy Geek. You actually have three options. The one I prefer is this middle option, which gives you a choice of any of the topics. Let's choose Android Market, and it's going to put it there on my screen if I just back up. So now we have a little news widget with some Android Market specific topics, and watch this. It's scrollable as well, and this is scrollable in any launcher, not just Go Launcher or any of the other launchers like ADW Launcher, which requires scrollability. This works in Nova, in the default home launcher. It's a very good app. I'll just add another widget just to show you the other option. There are three, but I just show you the third one, which is kind of like a picture display of news stories. So if we go back now, so we've got some news stories here, and we can just scroll one out and then think that looks like a particularly interesting story. Press on it, and again snaps straight back into the application. And as long as my Wi-Fi is working anywhere half decent, it then just brings the news story up. So I love this application. I think the interface and the technology behind it and the usability is fantastic. The one Achilles heel is that there aren't that many news sources that it's using at the moment. It's aggregating all these news stories, but it's taking them from the less of a well-known news sites. So if I just scroll through them, Associated Press, Business Wire, ITN, Mobile Inquirer, you're looking at these and obviously thinking, where is Gizmodo, Engadget, Verge, and all the other technology websites? Yes, they do need to be added. If those websites are added and they are aggregated properly, so you don't have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of articles, it sort of filters them out into the ones which you might want to read the most, a bit like Zeit, then this would be the perfect application. But nonetheless, it's a very, very good application at the moment, and it can only get better. I hope you enjoyed that video. As I said before, it is a variant of News Republic, which I'll quickly show you as the alternative. This is again very similar to Appy Geek, but as you can see, there's just a few more options: photos, videos, and then you can add other news stories, such as I've added the Football Premier League, and also news stories about the United Kingdom. So they are made by the same developer. Appy Geek is a little more focused, less options, but it's more focused on technology. That's my review of the application. Hope you enjoyed it. Any comments, please do ask, and I'll see you again in another video very soon. Thanks for watching, everyone.